Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide photos and videos on Vivo X Fold 5. If you are using X Fold 5 and you want to hide your photos or videos, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open Files app, which is pre-installed on your phone. Just open it, and here just open Save Folder, and here you just have to choose a lock, which might be a pattern or pin. I'm going to select a pattern and just create a pattern here. Then confirm your pattern, and here you just have to move your files. It might be photos or videos to your save folder. So let's see how. Just open your videos section, and here select the video which you want to move to your save folder. I'm going to select this one. Just keep a long press on it, then tap on three dots in the top right corner. From here just tap and move to save folder, and here just draw your pattern to move it to your save folder. And here you just have to open your save folder and draw your pattern again, and you will easily get your moved or hidden video or photos. So that's how you can easily hide your photos and videos on your Vivo X Fold 5. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.